Guys, right here we have the Hitachi CG 22E8S SLP. So this is the brush cutter. Basically, I'm having issues which this thing would not stop. It would not stop spinning, right? Even when I don't have this pressed in or holding it down, the device just continues to freaking spin like crazy, and I have to turn it off. So this is like a crazy issue. So basically what it is this here is, as you can see, right, this needs to stay back, and when you hit the gauge is when you squeeze it, it's when it controls the throttle so it can spin. So basically what I've done is, so far I've lubed this, so it's got pretty, look at how nice it flows. So now I'm about to fix the handle, which I had to take the handle apart. Same thing. I'm going to put this spring back and put the handle back and get it in a nice flow. So that's it. But when you install this, make sure it goes this way. So just like this. Hopefully you can see it. It goes into that little hole, and then it stays this way, and this part goes on the inside. So what it does, it literally keeps the handle down so that the trigger is always unreleased. So if you let it go, it returns back to the off position, so it's not spinning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this handle back together and test it. Okay, so I fixed the problem. As you can see, look at that. It's pretty nice. So when I hit the handle, look at that. It goes all the way to the end. And that's what you wanted to do. You wanted to hit that little screw. If it doesn't hit the screw, that means it's getting stuck. That means you got a problem. So right now I'm going to test it. So we're gonna put this cover. My air filter is nice and clean, but if you have a bad air filter, make sure you replace it. Not as clean as it should be, right? But it's still pretty good, which means it doesn't need a replacement right now. Okay, got the cover back on, and now we are ready to test. Got some gas in the tank, and okay guys, so I got everything back together, looking good. Now is the moment of the test. So let's go ahead and pull this. I already pumped it a few times. So here we go. There we go. Very nice. Look at that. And as you can see, it's not spinning, but I'm gonna press it here, squeeze the trigger. And that's how it's supposed to work. So make sure you adjust the little screw. This little screw is what controls if that spins while it's on idle mode like here. So if you see it spinning while it's in idle mode, what you want to do is adjust this little screw. So I release that screw a little bit, that way I don't have any movement at all there. The only times I get movement is when I squeeze it. So that's it, guys. Good luck fixing yours.